Hi everyone, this is just a quick video. It's been a while since I've uploaded anything. Just pointing out to my old headphones because this will be, as you already seen through the title, unboxing of my new Sony XM3, the best headphones in the market. If you don't trust me, just look at the reviews. I've bought them today and I'm really excited to try them on. I've got a few work colleagues who have these headphones and yeah, they look great. They said that, sounds amazing. It's very comfortable and I can't wait to try them on and to take them with me on my commute to work. So yeah, stay tuned. This will be my unboxing and I'm saying bye bye to these old headphones. I mean, they were quite cheap compared to these new ones, and they still work, but as you can just tell, they're tired now. They want to be retired. I've had them for maybe 2.5, almost 3 years. So they're still solid. They still work well. The sound still sound good, but yeah, it's time for an upgrade. And this is the new baby in town. Can't wait. You can see the plastic is still on it. Still brand new. Not out of the box yet. So here we go. Let's open it. Sorry, I'm recording this with my phone, as you could tell already, and trying to capture the best image as possible, not shake. I'm sure you've noticed through my previous videos that I'm not a professional YouTuber. I don't do this for work or anything. It's just whenever I want to share something special with you guys. So as you can see, there's the box. Yeah, you can tell, nice casing, feels good, feels expensive. It's definitely expensive. Okay, sorry, the camera is everywhere. I really apologize. I'm sure you guys not going to be very happy when you look at this, but just bear with me. Okay, let's go there to the side. Okay, so what we got here? All right, some quick instructions, and apparently there's an app. Okay, you can sync to the headphones. Great, lovely. It's a nice case as well that comes with it. And what else? Okay, so just some manuals and instructions. I mean, these are headphones. I'm sure it's not going to be that difficult to figure out how to use them. All right, let's have a smell. Yeah, smells expensive. Okay. All right. It's gonna be tricky to open this with one hand, but I'm sure you guys want to see. In fact, that's why you call it unboxing, right? Alright, let me capture this. Alright, sorry about the shade there. Okay, so what we got here? Okay, got some 3.5mm headphone jack, and a very small USB Type-C. It's a very short cable. Gosh, it's gonna be tricky to plug this to my laptop and charge the headphones. Gonna have to be very close to it. And I always get this, but I've never ever used it with all the headphones that I've purchased. So yeah, stay there. Okay, and here is the king. Wow, you can tell they feel heavy. Well, not like super heavy, but it's just compared to my other cheap ones. I can feel the build material is much better. The cushion here is good. Okay, looks lovely. All right, and then what we have here, that's it. Cool, there you have it. Quick unboxing of my new Sony WH-1000X M3. That's a silly name. I'm sure a lot of you guys would appreciate. Agree with me. There you have it. The new king in town. All right, this is it. See you guys in the next video. Hopefully I won't take ages to upload another one, but yeah, like I said, I just upload for whenever I want to share anything important to me with you guys. All right, peace, have a good day, a good night, and see you next time.